Oh, Mama, look at that saw. Oh, just a little tuggeroo won't kill anyone.
Wait! It's been turbo boosted! You can't possibly control it!
I think I can control it.
No! You're not a professional lumberjack! You're just a pilot!
Lumberjack superhero!
Put that down! You'll never be a lumberjack!
Want your life!
Screw you, Dad!
How did you survive with such a, no offense, flat jacket?
I slowed my fall with this axe.
Whoa. Wait, don't start that saw!
Guess I'm not getting my turbo booster back.